My wife and I were visiting Hawaii, and as we were driving around the south end of Oahu, I spied this amazing crater. A line of people were ascending and descending the long, sloping side, and I told my wife that I wanted to hike it. I set out at around 5 a.m. in the rain and drove to the south end of the island. The out and back trail is a popular attraction and can get very busy during the day. The reviews had suggested that the best time to hike it was in the early morning. I don't know if you can see the outline of this huge crater, volcano. Pretty steep though. I had accidentally set my GoPro on time lapse. What you're about to see is a fast motion trip to the top. Here we go. Once I reached the top, I stood amazed as I looked down on the mouth of the crater with the Pacific Ocean behind it. The views were outstanding, even in a hazy rain. An old World War II concrete pillbox stands at the top, where a lookout had once been posted. Remnants of an age gone by. The wind was really whipping hard, giving you the sensation of being at an extraordinary height. After spending time at the top, it was time to begin my descent. The trail is actually an abandoned railroad track. Quite appropriately, it is known as the Stairmaster from Hell. Not everyone who begins the hike can finish it. I had been struggling with a knee problem, and so I didn't know how I'd do. So I felt pretty good about reaching the top without any pain. I just hoped my knee would hold out for the climb down. At times, the descent became a little technical. A slip on the wet railroad ties could have resulted in a, well, problem. Down there's the parking lot, back there. As I moved down the crater, a steadier stream of hikers were making their way up. I was glad to have gotten a jump on the crowd. Well, I made it. That was fun. It was a great hike. Going up was really about cardio, filling your thighs and your glutes, and coming down was just technical. It was about not falling on the wet railroad ties and rocks. If you didn't take the ties, you had to take the ground or the rocks beside it, and the rocks were wet. So I really just stuck with the railroad ties to get down, and made it. It was fun. Knee doesn't feel any worse for the wear, so we'll see how tomorrow goes with the knee, but other than that, feeling pretty good. Always fun.